chocolate chip, I need oats, and I need flaxseed, coconut, and we need vanilla, honey, and chia seeds. So first we put in the dry stuff. First I'll put in this. And then I'll put in this. And then you have to put your chocolate chips in. And then this. So you have to wash your hands before you pour all the stuff in. And then you have to mix it with your hands when you put the dry stuff in. And then you put the wet stuff in. The vanilla in. I'm going to put these two little thingies in. It's hard to get them out when you just tip it, so you have to use a spatula. And then you put the honey in. Make sure you get all the honey out. You put the butter in. Okay, now I start with my hands. Oh, this feels so weird. So once you mix, it will get a little mushy. Like that, this. It's gonna be real squishy and gross when it's like this. But it's gonna smell good. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for an hour. Yay! Our protein balls are done. So when they've been in the fridge for an hour, so here's what the mix will look like. Okay. Now, when you want to eat them, just crumble them into a ball, right? Wait, is it messy still? Okay. It's actually not that sticky on a handful. First I stick it together, then I don't make it small. My brother was making a Minecraft video, but his iPad kept dying, so now he's making a video with Bayne, with me. And we're rolling up our protein balls. Make them bigger.
And Bayne got a lot, so he's gonna make a big ball of protein.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna eat this big.
Leave a like on this video. Bye.